In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Bendigo Bank app customer support using phone, chat, or email. If you're looking for help from Bendigo Bank, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and walk through the process of reaching out to their customer support team. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head to the Bendigo Bank website. You can do this by typing www.bendigobank.com.au into your browser's address bar. Once you've arrived on the home page, the next step is to find the Contact Us section. To do this, you can either scroll down to the very bottom of the page, where you'll typically find various helpful links, or you can click on the menu icon. This icon often looks like 3 horizontal lines and is usually located at the top of the page. Clicking this menu will reveal a drop-down list with several options. Once you've either scrolled to the bottom or accessed the menu, look for and click on the Contact Us link. This will take you to the Bendigo Bank Contact Us page. Now that you've made it to the Contact Us section, you're just a click away from all of the support options that Bendigo Bank offers. On this page, you'll see a variety of methods to get in touch with customer support. If you prefer speaking to someone directly, you'll find several phone numbers listed. These include dedicated numbers for general banking inquiries, reporting lost or stolen cards, and even numbers for overseas calls, ensuring they can assist you no matter where you're located. If you enjoy the convenience of instant messaging, you might want to utilize the live chat feature. This option is only available when an agent is online and ready to assist, so keep an eye out for the chat button to light up. This can be a great way to get quick answers to your questions without having to make a call. Alternatively, you might decide to contact them via email or use their feedback form to send your message online. This method is perfect if your query isn't urgent and you'd rather have a written record of your correspondence with customer support. Simply fill out the required fields in the form and your message will be sent to the appropriate department. Lastly, if you're a registered user of their e-banking service, you can send a secure message directly through the platform. This can be particularly useful for queries related to your account or personal details, as it offers an added layer of security. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to contacting Bendigo Bank customer support. Whether you prefer the personal touch of a phone call, the convenience of online chat, or the security of a written message, Bendigo Bank has made it easy for you to reach out for help. Hopefully these steps have made you feel more confident in navigating the support options available. Thank you for joining us today, and we wish you the best in your banking journey.